In this video, we'll learn how to create a TikTok viral petal transition in Filmora. For this transition, you'll need a transparent umbrella and rose petals. Start by setting up your camera on a tripod. Create a marking on the floor to indicate the standing position. Then, shoot the first video with someone wearing a white dress and holding the umbrella, opening it to release a shower of rose petals. In the next shot, change the dress to another color, using the floor marking to stand at the exact same spot. Repeat the process of opening the umbrella with rose petals falling on you. Now let's jump into Filmora. Drop the first footage with the person in the white dress onto the timeline. Then, place the clip with the person in the black or red dress on track 2. Identify the point where the rose petals start falling in the track 1 footage and add a marker to it. Similarly, identify the point where the rose petals start falling in the track 2 footage and add a marker to that clip. Trim the second footage to match the marker point on the first clip. Go to the masking feature and apply a linear mask. At the start of the mask, set the rotation to -90 degrees, the blur strength to 15, and place the mask on the upper side of the footage. After 1 second and 15 frames, change the mask's X position to move it downwards. Add an adjustment layer on track 3 and make color adjustments using tools like vibrance, brightness, shadow, white, and black to enhance the overall visual effect. Now, let's render the project to see the final preview of the TikTok viral petal transition. Make sure to fine-tune the settings and durations as needed to achieve the desired effect. And don't forget to experiment with different color correction adjustments to enhance the visual impact of your transition.
That's all for today. If you are interested in more visual effects, check out filmora.wondershare.com.